Okay, guys. Got the ladder built. It's actually the next day, but as I tested it this morning, this kind of broke. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take another one of these and put it underneath it. That way, there's more pressure. I mean, there's support there for each of these, and I might make it longer. Just depends. And I noticed when you got it to here, these like to pull apart. So I'm gonna take. I just cut this. Hopefully, like that chainsaw slow mo. I'm gonna take these right here just for supports to keep those from bending out, and maybe do it to the other side too. That way we're extra secure. I can't talk to it. Secure, and then we'll go test it again. And then I'll actually bring you along this time. And then if all else fails, my dad, he has his ladders that he bought, which I could always just take. I know the deer stand is good. Like, it'll stay up. Like, I've already tested that. So the deer stand is good. It's just I need to get a ladder. And now this thing is really heavy. So it's going to be fun carrying up there and then back. But enough of me talking. Let's get straight into the build. Now let me just get all these other on and I'll catch you back up. Wow, guys, that ladder did not work. The upper two are actually sturdy. Like, I'm actually surprised. I knew that they were gonna break because they were cracking yesterday. The middle one, it cracks a little, but it stayed strong. Now the top three, bro, they're solid. Like, I didn't hear anything when I stepped on them. Full weight. Fortunately, I made the bottom one actually surprising because I could stand on it and it stayed. As soon as I touched the second one, they just broke underneath me and I fell down. I mean, I didn't fall. I mean, I was holding on to the ladder, so I just used my, my biceps and my chest to, not let myself fall. So, back to the drawing board. It's not as tall as I wanted it. I'm probably gonna make it taller, and I'm just gonna cut some of those the same board, but I'm gonna do it like instead of like where you step on it, like I'll put it across, like from here to here, like this. I'll only have like that big of a gap to step on, and then when you get up to here, it'll become like easier, So let's get to it. Okay, guys. So this has been a pain in the butt, actually. As you can see, I didn't film this part. I got my trusty dusty camera person that she's not so good because she's supposed to follow me. Come on, what are you doing standing all the way back there? Okay, so we got this part. I tried to screw, but that never bi-rival. Freaking suck. They can't. Look at all these freaking drill bits. All those drill bits. Okay, there's more. All these drill bits, it broke. Like, it just freaking, look at that. Is it good? Is it focusing on it? Mm-hmm. So, I decided to go with the nails because, nails are great. I mean, you should use screws. because they hold firmer, but you know, I don't. I always use nails because I don't have to deal with freaking crappy stuff like that. Anyways, got this. I got the platform nailed onto the ladder itself. Then I got two supports right here. You're supposed to come over here. Oh my God. You know how much editing you cost me?
Sorry.
Okay, so we got this crossbeam right here. We got this crossbeam right here, and then we got this support right there. And then I'm going to cut this. And all those marks are going to be the rest of those. And I might take, if I have too many, I'm going to take out these right here and replace them. That way it just gets, it's sturdy, basically. And then I'm probably going to use those patches to patch this. To patch right here, see, because it's bulging. I'll put one like right here, so I have a support here, here, and maybe one on that, well, that side. Those are good, basically. You can step over here. You're fired. What do you do? Why are you looking over there? You're fired. Oh my God. That's why I do it myself. That's why I don't hire people. And I measured the ladder. It's about 7.5 feet. That's not very tall. Most ladders stands are about 15, 20, 12 feet. So I might end up putting, trying to attach this somehow. I don't know how. Or just leave it how it is, you know. I don't have to be so tall. I just want to be above, above, you know. I'm going to quit talking. We're going to get straight into finishing this. Let's get to work. Filming. Okay, guys. So, we got our 2x4s done. Instead of doing it in here, I'm just going to do it like this because, you know, I'm lazy. And that way it didn't work first time. I'm going to trust that those will hold up. If they don't, well, you'll see me in the next video will be me in the hospital. So, let's get these. I hate building stuff. I'm so much better in my school work office. I wish my teacher would let me film in there. Trust me, if he did, the moment when you lose track of where your nails were. What the fuck? Well, there goes a flat tire. Will you hand me some nails, cameraman? They're in that black container. You know you can film. You can get them. Oh, there's one. You lay on my board, please. Thanks. Okay. So, you know, like my first time why is the camera sideways? Thank you. Like the first time I ever welded, I wish I could have had that. My GoPro on, and then someone else like videotaping me, because you know I suck. Now, I'll see you when we're done. That means turn it off. Well, guys, I gotta say, we're up in the tree stand, so it worked. This video is probably gonna be really long, so I might just make it into part 2, or unless I edited a lot of stuff out. Now I didn't film all of it now, so I mean, if you're gonna copy me, basically, you want to use 2x4s. I was just doing a cheap, inexpensive way. My brother gave me some wood. It's not like it's not very good wood, but I mean, if it's gonna last this season, I mean, I'm good with that. I would say I'm about 9 or 10 feet off the ground. It's just okay. I would prefer to be 15 or 20, but I mean, I can see everything, and this isn't even where I'm hunting. I have to still carry this or drag it or whatever I'm gonna do to go put it in the field. But I really need 2 of them, so I can't make me another one, so I'll have to go buy me one, apparently. But I mean, it's sort of sketch. You get spots, spots, and it starts going creak, creak, creak. It's like, oh shit, it's gonna break. But I mean, it didn't, and I'm sitting up here, and I want to mount some accessories up here, like maybe like a spot that comes out where I can like rack my gun at, so I could just put it down like right here, and then I could just, you know, pick it up, something like that. So, or like put like a bow mount like right here, so I can like hang my bow there and then just like pick it up, you know. So that's what I want to do. Anyways, if you've watched till the end of this video, thank you. Leave a like and make sure to subscribe. Tell me what you think down in the comments, what I did right and what I did wrong. Well, I'm filming. I will. Okay then. I got to, like I said, got to get this up there. Not sure if I'm gonna make that a video, but I want to put some mounts on here so I can strap my camera to it, you know, everything like that. So I'm probably not gonna film that. I was just making a quick DIY deer stand. Got it done in 2 days, so let's go. And that's all I got for you. As always, thank you for watching. Like I said, make sure to comment something down there and give me ideas on what I should do next. Tell me if you like what I'm doing. Take care, God bless, and I'll see you on the next video.